So today, guys, I want to take a look at this neat little tool set that I bought from VIM, VIM Tools. Comes in this nice metal case. It's the VHC42 Nano bit set. This set was $79.13 from Amazon. And as the model number implies, it is a 42-piece, ultra-compact, 5/8" overall bit length. So these bits that are in here, pull one out, are only 5/8 of an inch overall in length. So that allows to get close when you've got tight areas to get into. Now it comes, as I stated, in this nice metal box, and the bits in the tool itself is in a nice foam, like a heavy type of foam that keeps everything in place so that it doesn't fall out. And what's really unique is the overall size of this. There you see NR 400. Quarter-inch hex, reversible, and the way you point this is the way that it works. So in other words, this is pointed this way, so it's going to take off. It's going to ratchet. In other words, it's solid in that direction, and then it ratchets going the other way. So this, in this position, it will take off the bolt, and in this position over here, it will put it on. Quarter-inch hex. We have a quarter-inch hex on this side with a magnet on the inside of that. So what that allows is it comes with this little adapter, quarter-inch hex that goes in here, and a quarter-inch square drive for your small sockets. And as I stated earlier, with it pointed that way, that's where it's going to direction, so it's going to turn, it's going to tighten the bolt. This is going to loosen it. And then you can see that it's very easy to take that out. It sticks up a little bit. And then you just pull that out. So this allows you to adapt this set to quarter-inch drive sockets and accessories. And here we have the extension ME14, which is 3 15/16 of an inch overall. We have the quarter-inch hex on this end, male, and then we have the 1/4" hex female on this end with the magnet. So this allows you to then put the extension into this tool, the head of that tool. So you could do this, and then you could put a bit in from the set, or any bit, and should you so desire, this also allows you to put in that little adapter that I showed earlier, and it's magnetic, and it's in there. Then what you can do, that comes out of here, and now you can stick it in here again, which is also magnetic, holds very good, and now you've got yourself a long-handled 1/4" drive ratchet head. Very nice. And the bit lengths, as stated earlier, are right around 5/8 of an inch in overall length. And then one of the bits that you get actually is a 1/4 to 1/4 adapter that fit right down in here. Now this ratchet head has 60 teeth, which requires 6 degrees of swing. So guys, if you're looking for a really nice tool set to get into those tight areas, and this may fit the bill. I like it.